Basic English sentence structure. Many English learners make mistakes because they don't understand sentence structure. In this lesson, you'll learn the most basic English sentence pattern. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete idea. In English, most sentences follow a very simple order: subject plus verb plus object subject. The subject is the person or thing doing the action. For example, I, you, we, they, John, the teacher. Verb, the verb is the action. Examples of verbs are eat, read, play. Object. The object is the thing that receives the action. For example, I eat rice. Rice is the object. She reads a book. They play football. Let's try one together. She likes music. The correct sentence is, she likes music. Remember, English sentences follow subject, verb, object. S plus V plus O. Feel free to try an example and drop it in the comments section. If you want to learn English step by step, subscribe to English Made Simple with Gapson.